guys, welcome back to another video. So, my sister recently, Emma, we're here with Emma. So, recently she bought a FabFitFun subscription box, and we're going to be reviewing it today. So, before we get started, give a big thumbs up, subscribe, let's get on with the video. So, we got the orange box, Emma. Orange. Out of what colors?
Red and blue.
So I'm going to be asking my sister a lot of questions because I don't know what I'm talking about. So, first off, I accidentally took this out. There was a catalog in here by FabFitFun, and I'm not using that, so
well, I'll tell you what it means. It describes all the products that are in this box. So, yeah, let's get started.
Okay, so first thing's a BeautyBlender.
Winter would have loved this color. I would have preferred a different color, but it decided for me.
It's ugly. It's pink.
Okay, well.
For you, it's ugly. For me,
you forgot to rip this off.
Yep, we're going to be ripping tissue paper today.
This is the umbrella that I chose. It is
and
the catalog.
It comes with a case, and it has the little button thing where you can open it, and this case is adorable.
It is a Capri Maladrino Umbrella. I got the red floral, and it retails for $40.
But this box was only $50.
But
you guys should go buy yourself one. This video is not sponsored. Sponsored me, FabFitFun. Okay, and our sponsor item is Luna Rica.
Salted caramel.
So this is a FabFitFun sponsor thingy. So we're going to try this after the video. It's going to taste delicious.
Now, here are some tea towels. A set of 2 by Simply Whimsical.
Simply Whimsical.
Retails $15.
Go buy yourself one. And, ooh, Emma, one for me, one for you.
Okay.
So next we have
a set of 2 GlamGlow Bubblesheet masks. That retails $18, which I'm pretty sure is $9 per one. So yeah.
And before we keep going, let's just look at my crappy nails that I was peeling off before the video. So let's keep going. Next we have, ooh, feel it.
I know. YOGAHHH Detox mask.
YOGAHHH
by Cuccio Somatology. We might share that product.
Made with Matasha here. So here it is. Delicious. It's not for eating. Don't eat, kids.
A grown Alchemist. Which one did I get? Repair Day
Blossom.
Cream.
Blossom flavor.
No, scent.
Okay, same thing.
Yeah.
This is like.
Oh, great timing.
If my hair got in the video.
This retails $67. Oh wait, this ain't the one.
No.
Hold on. $49.
Did you get earbuds?
Did you pause the video? What are you doing?
Oh no, it's not paused.
Okay, well no, I didn't. I chose something.
Oh
else.
yes, guys. I forgot to mention. So you can get an umbrella or earbuds, but my sister.
Yeah, these are the earbuds you could have gotten. Instead, I got the umbrella.
So next we have bubble bath.
And shower gel.
And
Skin&Co.
I would assume it smells delicious.
Well, duh.
So, I don't know what this is, Emma.
Okay.
Oh, this is huge.
Well, you could have chose between the Camuto bags.
Really? This is what you've been talking about the whole week?
Or crown brushes.
And this is what my sister's been talking about the whole week, a bag.
Well, you didn't take it out of the packaging.
We will be right back. And here is the bag. So, it's like a kind of sturdy leather. I mean, it will hold up. I know it will.
Yeah, it will hold up.
And last but not least, this, my sister's so nice. She bought it for our parents. A ceramic stainless steel teapot.
Blossoms on it.
I will be right back after this short break. So, here is the teapot. It's cute. Oh, it's different.
This is for Mom and Dad.
Imagine we dropped this.
When I move out, maybe I should take it back for decoration.
Clickbait. We dropped it. Ooh. So you could buy green tea leaves for this. So when you pull it in, you just go.
No, you have to put your tea leaves in here.
This is fun. And you just Sip my tea, please. Ah! And then it all spills. And that's it. So, if you guys enjoyed, like I said, give a big thumbs up. Okay. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Emma, do it with me. You know the end, don't you?
Nope, I forgot. Peace out, Winters! Channel my channel now.